Welcome to the incredible world of nature's quiet hunters and dancers. Today, we explore three fascinating creatures: spiders, praying mantises, and grasshoppers. They may seem small and unassuming, but each of them plays a vital role in the balance of life. Spiders, masters of silk and patience, weaving intricate webs that both trap prey and inspire wonder. They teach us the art of stillness, precision, and creativity. Praying mantises, the silent assassins of the insect world, with lightning-fast strikes and perfect camouflage. They show us how focus and timing can overcome even the toughest challenges. And grasshoppers, the energetic jumpers and singers of the fields, whose leaps and songs fill the air with life. They remind us of resilience, movement, and the rhythms of nature. For millions of years, these creatures have adapted, survived, and thrived alongside us, yet their lives often go unnoticed, hidden among the leaves, grass, and shadows. Today, we shine a light on their world, a world full of strength, beauty, and mystery. We'll uncover how they hunt, survive, and contribute to the ecosystems we all depend on. From delicate webs to powerful leaps and deadly precision, these creatures embody the wonders of evolution. So, sit back, look closer, and prepare to see spiders, mantises, and grasshoppers like you've never seen them before. This is their story, a story of survival, grace, and the quiet power of the natural world. Let's begin our journey. Spiders are among the most misunderstood creatures on Earth. They belong to the class Arachnidae and are not insects. Spiders have 8 legs, 2 main body parts, and no wings or antennae. There are over 50,000 known species of spiders worldwide. They live on every continent except Antarctica. From deserts and jungles to mountaintops and caves, spiders thrive everywhere. They play a vital role in ecosystems as predators of insects. Spiders help control populations of flies, mosquitoes, and agricultural pests. Most spiders spin silk, a remarkable material stronger than steel by weight. They use silk to build webs, wrap prey, line burrows, and even to glide through the air. Some spiders create intricate orb webs, while others make funnel or sheet webs. Others, like jumping spiders, hunt without using webs at all. Jumping spiders have excellent vision and can leap many times their body length. Wolf spiders chase down their prey on the ground. Trapdoor spiders hide in burrows and ambush unsuspecting insects. Spiders have up to 8 eyes, though their vision varies greatly. Some rely more on vibrations and touch than sight to detect prey. Their bodies are covered in sensitive hairs that sense the slightest movement. Most spiders are harmless to humans, and only a few have venom strong enough to hurt us. Even then, bites are rare and often caused by provocation. Many cultures fear spiders, but others see them as symbols of creativity and patience. Spiders have inspired myths, stories, and even art around the world. Their ability to spin intricate webs is a marvel of nature. Spider silk is incredibly versatile and comes in different types for different uses. Some silk is sticky to trap prey, while others are strong and flexible for structure. Scientists study spider silk to develop new materials and technologies. Spider venom is also studied for potential medical benefits. It contains compounds that may help treat pain, strokes, and heart disease. Spiders reproduce by laying eggs, often wrapped in silk sacks. Some mothers guard their eggs, while others leave them hidden and safe. Baby spiders, called spiderlings, often disperse by ballooning on silk threads. This allows them to travel long distances on the wind. Spiders come in a stunning array of shapes, colors, and sizes. The Goliath birdiator is the largest spider, weighing over 170 grams. On the other hand, some spiders are so small they're barely visible. Some mimic ants or beetles to avoid predators or sneak up on prey. Peacock spiders display bright colors and dance to attract mates. Their courtship displays are some of the most elaborate in the animal kingdom. Spiders are crucial indicators of a healthy environment. Declining spider populations can signal ecological problems. Habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change threaten many species, Protecting their habitats benefits countless other creatures as well. You can support spiders by letting them live in your garden or home. They help keep other pest populations under control naturally. Spiders also provide food for birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Their presence maintains the balance of ecosystems. Despite their fearsome reputation, spiders are shy and prefer to avoid humans. They rarely bite and usually flee when threatened. Watching a spider spin its web can be calming and inspiring. It reminds us of patience, skill, and resilience. Around the world, people have learned to appreciate spiders' beauty and utility. Some cultures even celebrate spiders in festivals and traditions. Scientists continue to discover new species and learn more about their behavior. Many secrets of their silk, venom, and communication remain to be uncovered. Spiders have survived for millions of years and adapted to countless changes. They are true survivors and masters of their craft. By understanding and respecting spiders, we can coexist peacefully with them. Their lives enrich ours in ways we may not always see. Even the smallest spider has a big impact on the world around it. Next time you see a spider, take a moment to appreciate its role in nature. Observe its graceful movements and intricate web designs. These creatures are both artists and engineers of the natural world. Thank you for exploring the amazing world of spiders with us. We hope you've learned something new about these incredible animals. Remember, spiders are allies, not enemies. Together, we can protect and preserve their place in our ecosystems. The next time you see a web glistening in the sunlight, think of the spider behind it. Its story is one of survival, skill, and quiet beauty. World of praying mantises. These mysterious insects are known for their unique appearance and hunting skills. Praying mantises belong to the order Mantidae, with over 2,400 species worldwide. They are named for the way they hold their front legs, as if in prayer, but despite their peaceful pose, they are skilled and ruthless predators. Mantises are found on every continent except Antarctica. They live in warm environments, from grasslands and gardens to rainforests and deserts. Their bodies are slender and perfectly designed for hunting and camouflage. Most mantises blend into their surroundings, resembling leaves, sticks, or flowers. Some even mimic orchids or dead foliage to ambush unsuspecting prey. They have triangular heads with large, compound eyes that provide excellent vision. Mantises can rotate their heads nearly 180 degrees, watching for prey and predators. Their front legs are equipped with sharp spines to grasp and hold onto victims. They strike with lightning speed, often faster than the human eye can see. Mantises feed on a variety of insects, including flies, crickets, and even other mantises. Larger species have been known to hunt small birds, lizards, and frogs. They play an important role in keeping pest populations under control. Despite their fearsome nature, they are harmless to humans and beneficial to gardens. Mantises go through three main life stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Females lay eggs in foamy sacs called oothecae, which harden to protect the eggs. Each oothecae can contain dozens or even hundreds of eggs. After weeks or months, tiny nymphs emerge and begin hunting immediately. Nymphs look like miniature adults, but molt several times before reaching maturity. Mantises are solitary and territorial, often cannibalistic toward each other. Perhaps the most infamous behavior is sexual cannibalism. In some species, females may eat the male during or after mating. Scientists believe this may provide nutrition for the female and her eggs. Mantises come in a stunning array of colors, patterns, and shapes. From vivid green and brown to pinks and whites, their colors match their habitats. Some species even change color slightly with the seasons or their environment. Their camouflage not only hides them from prey, but also from predators. Mantises themselves are hunted by birds, bats, spiders, and larger insects. When threatened, some species display dimatic behavior, flashing bright colors or eye spots to scare predators. Others spread their wings and hiss loudly to appear larger and more dangerous. Mantises have fascinated humans for centuries. They appear in art, folklore, and even martial arts, symbolizing patience and precision. In many cultures, they are seen as symbols of stillness and contemplation. Farmers and gardeners value them as natural pest controllers. However, introduced species can sometimes disrupt local ecosystems. The Chinese mantis and European mantis, for example, have spread widely in North America. While they help reduce pests, they can also outcompete native species. It's important to protect native mantises and their habitats. You can support them by planting native plants and avoiding pesticides. Even a small garden can provide shelter and hunting grounds for these insects. Mantises are also a favorite among insect photographers and enthusiasts. Their alien appearance and intricate behavior make them fascinating subjects. Observing a mantis hunt is a lesson in patience, precision, and power. Despite their ferocity, they are delicate and vulnerable to environmental changes. Climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution threaten many species. By protecting nature, we also protect these incredible hunters. Scientists continue to study their vision, reflexes, and camouflage for insights into robotics and engineering. Mantises teach us about balance in nature, both predator and prey, patient and swift. Even their stillness hides incredible strength and awareness. Watching a mantis reminds us of the wonders and complexity of the natural world. Every movement they make is calculated and purposeful. Next time you see one, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and skill. They are not just hunters, but also artists of survival and adaptation. Praying mantises have existed for millions of years, mastering their craft over time. Their story is one of evolution, resilience, and grace. By learning about them, we can better understand the ecosystems we all share. We hope you've discovered something new and inspiring about these insects. Remember, even the smallest creatures have a powerful role to play. Grasshoppers are some of the most recognizable insects on Earth. They belong to the order Orthopora, which also includes crickets and katydids. There are more than 11,000 species of grasshoppers found worldwide. They thrive in grasslands, forests, deserts, and even gardens. Grasshoppers are herbivores, feeding mostly on grasses and leaves. They play an important role in ecosystems as food for birds, reptiles, and mammals. Their powerful hind legs allow them to jump great distances. Some can leap over 20 times their body length in a single bound. This helps them escape predators quickly and efficiently. Grasshoppers have two pairs of wings, one for flying and one for protection. They can fly short distances, but they prefer jumping as their main movement. Grasshoppers have compound eyes that give them a wide field of vision. Their antennae help them sense smells and touch in their environment. Some species can produce sound by rubbing their legs against their wings. This stridulation is used to attract mates or warn rivals. Grasshoppers go through 3 life stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Females lay eggs in the soil, where they develop and hatch into nymphs. Nymphs look like small adults but lack wings and reproductive organs. They molt several times before reaching full size and maturity. Grasshoppers are well camouflaged, blending in with grasses and plants. Some species are brightly colored to warn predators of their toxicity. Their coloration can also help regulate body temperature in the sun. Grasshoppers are known for their incredible resilience and adaptability. They can survive in harsh climates and recover quickly from population declines. In some regions, large swarms of grasshoppers, called locusts, cause severe damage to crops. Locusts are a type of grasshopper that changes behavior and color in large groups. These swarms can devastate farmland and threaten food supplies. Farmers use natural predators, traps, and careful land management to control them. Despite their reputation, most grasshoppers do not cause significant harm. They are a crucial part of the food chain and contribute to soil health. Grasshoppers also help recycle nutrients as they feed and move through their habitat. In some cultures, grasshoppers are considered symbols of luck and prosperity. They also appear in folklore, art, and even cuisine around the world. In many places, grasshoppers are eaten as a nutritious source of protein. Their crunchy texture and nutty flavor make them a delicacy in some regions. Grasshoppers' behavior and movements have inspired dancers and athletes alike. Their strength, agility, and persistence are admired in many cultures. Watching grasshoppers leap and climb can be a lesson in determination. Grasshoppers are also studied by scientists for their muscle power and energy efficiency. Their jumping ability is unmatched in proportion to their size. They store energy in their legs, releasing it explosively to launch themselves. This incredible adaptation helps them survive in predator-rich environments. Grasshoppers communicate with each other through sounds, vibrations, and visual signals. Males often sing to attract females and establish their territory. Some species have elaborate courtship dances and displays. Grasshoppers are vulnerable to birds, spiders, snakes, and mammals. They rely on camouflage, jumping, and quick reflexes to evade capture. Climate change and habitat destruction threaten many grasshopper species today. Some populations are declining due to pesticides and loss of grasslands. Conservation efforts aim to protect these vital insects and their habitats. You can help by planting native grasses and avoiding harmful chemicals. Even a small backyard can provide a safe haven for grasshoppers and other wildlife. Grasshoppers remind us of the delicate balance of life in our ecosystems. They show how even the smallest creatures play a big role in the natural world. Next time you see a grasshopper, take a closer look at its beauty and grace. Watch it leap and climb, and imagine the world through its eyes. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and quiet strength. They have lived on Earth for millions of years, enduring countless changes. By learning about them, we also learn about the health of our environment. We hope you've learned something new and inspiring about these incredible insects. Remember, every leap they take carries the story of life itself. As we reach the end of our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. From the delicate webs of spiders, to the silent strikes of praying mantises, to the powerful leaps of grasshoppers, these creatures remind us that even the smallest lives hold extraordinary beauty and purpose. Spiders teach us patience and precision, spinning intricate webs that sustain both them and the ecosystem. They show us how fragility and strength can exist together. Praying mantises reveal the art of stillness and the power of focus. Masters of camouflage and timing, they are both artists and hunters. Grasshoppers inspire us with their energy and resilience, leaping boldly into the unknown. Their songs fill the fields, reminding us of the rhythm of life all around us. These three creatures, though so different, are connected by their roles in the delicate balance of nature. They keep our ecosystems healthy, control pest populations, and nourish other animals. They have survived for millions of years, adapting to challenges and changes in their environments. Yet today, many of them face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Our choices, what we plant, what we protect, what we value, will shape their future. We all share this earth, and every species has its part to play in the story of life. By learning about spiders, mantises, and grasshoppers, we begin to see the world with more wonder and respect. We realize that beauty lies not only in the majestic and the grand, but also in the small and the quiet. These creatures remind us to slow down, to observe, and to appreciate the intricate dance of nature around us. The next time you see a spider in its web, a mantis poised among the leaves, or a grasshopper leaping through the grass, pause for a moment, watch them closely, and remember, They are not just insects. They are teachers, survivors, and essential parts of the world we live in. Together, we can protect them by preserving their habitats and respecting their roles. Even small actions, planting native flowers, avoiding harmful chemicals, and letting wild spaces grow, can make a big difference. These quiet guardians of our fields and forests deserve our care and admiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey into their world. We hope you've discovered something new, and that you carry this newfound appreciation with you. Because the story of spiders, mantises, and grasshoppers is also the story of us, of life intertwined. See you next time, and until then, keep your eyes open for the wonders hiding all around you. Goodbye, and happy exploring. Stay curious, and cherish the small lives that share our world.